Easy Security can be used from the web client almost the same way as it is from the Windows client. Only thing is the export import that is used to move data between different databases is only be able to be used from the Windows client. You'll get an error if you try use it. But you can always run the Windows client directly on the service tier, do the import, and after that use the application. I want to show a few things in here, like I will be assigning John permissions, same way as normal, of course. I'll be just entering the data, and I can update the login. It's going to calculate the same information as normal, of course, in here, and I can also go publish permissions to the live in here. Recording of permissions is the same. I'm using 2017. If you use the earlier versions, you'll be using a SQL profile and you'll be importing that. But in 2017, we use the internal recorder. So I'll go create a new about editing a customer, and I will go add a recording in here. I can't record myself because I can't in the web client go back to another session, but I can actually record as another one. And the same triggers we use for running NAV as a different person on the same computer. I'm going to run here as a different person, David. And I'm now running my browser as David in here. I can go back here and we get my web client link. And I'm now logged in as David. I can see I have a totally different role center, different company, and things like that one. So from my recording, I will start recording another session, and I can see David's session is in here. So I'm going to start recording that one, and David is not currently super, so I'm going to assign him that one in there. Now switching back to David, I'll go do an edit of a customer as I wanted to in here. And I'll just add a little to the address and go ahead and close that. Now the recording has been done exactly as we would do in the Windows client, and as I now add this recording to my permission set in here, I can update my permission sets. I'll see the same exact thing is happening in here, and let's just go do a publish of permission to push all these changes in here, the changes to John and my new permission set. So in general, everything works exactly the same since it's just a normal NAV application in here. So the permission was successfully published same way as normal inside Easy Security. Next thing I want to take a look at is how field level security works. And if I go look up first and find my sales orders in here, everything is normal. I can look at all and click on all the actions up here. And if I go look at a single sales order, I can edit every field in here, of course. If I want to go apply some field level security, I will apply it to everybody and for the table 36. And I can see I now have the read only assigned. If I now try open up the sales order, you can see my menu items are gray out. I can't click on them any longer as I expected, and every field is grayed out exactly as I expected it to be for field level security in here. So there's really no difference in using the web client or using the Windows client.